Altay T1 in 2026, Turkey's steel guardian for the modern battlefield. In the age of hybrid warfare and autonomous drones, what does it take for a tank to stay relevant? Turkey answers with a name carved in steel, Altay T1, a symbol of national pride, defense independence, and battlefield adaptability. In 2026, the Altay T1 has emerged not just as Turkey's most advanced main battle tank, but as a next-generation warfighter built to survive and dominate in the chaos of modern combat. Unlike legacy platforms, the Altay T1 isn't a retrofit. It's a clean-slate tank designed with asymmetrical threats and regional realities in mind. With a modular chassis and NATO standardized systems, it blends Eastern durability with Western technology. Key 2026 enhancements. Hybrid power unit developed jointly with South Korea, offering lower acoustic and thermal signature. Advanced laser warning receivers and soft kill active protection system, AKKOR. AI-assisted fire control system with real-time ballistic computation. Upgraded 120mm smoothbore gun with programmable munitions. Integration with Turkish drone and UAV battlefield networks. From Anatolia's dry plains to the steep ranges of eastern Turkey, the Altay T1's high-mobility suspension and battlefield-tested armor provide tactical edge. The tank is equipped with modular armor plating, resistant to modern anti-tank missiles, and can be tailored depending on mission type. Its crew of 3 benefits from improved ergonomics, internal climate control for extreme environments, and digitized displays for full situational awareness. One of Altay's biggest strengths is its integration into Turkey's digital battlefield. It communicates in real time with Bayraktar TB2 and Akinci drones and mobile command hubs, forming a web of reconnaissance, attack, and defense. The tank doesn't operate in isolation, it thrives as part of a smart ecosystem. In 2026, Altay T1 is not just about warfighting capability. It represents Turkey's technological autonomy, economic resilience, and military deterrence in a rapidly shifting global order. In a world racing toward automation and AI, the Altay T1 reminds us, steel, discipline, and national will still matter. Altay T1 doesn't just defend, it declares. It declares that Turkey is ready, not only to protect its borders, but to shape the battlefield of tomorrow. Whether in mountainous terrain or contested urban zones, Altay moves with a purpose, to lead Turkey's armored future with pride, precision, and power.